Hi, this is my review of Mindspace Petspace Foldable Toy Bin. You know, if you're like us, our two puppies are like our kids. We treat them just like our kids. And, you know, we want them to have a nice place to put their toys. And besides that, it'll make our house look nicer too. So we saw this on my Logie. And I said, you know what, let's get one of these. It'll make our house look nicer. And we'll be able to keep the dog's toys looking better. So I think that's pretty cute. So this goes on the bottom. Like that, so you can pull that out and you can clean it. But how cute is that? Am I getting a good view of that? So let's see. I did fill it with some of their favorite toys. Let's see if they like it. Hey, right. Oh, good boy. Wanna play? All right. Yeah, you like your new toy box? Yeah? You like your new toy box? So, I think it's a winner with Riley. I think, Riley, do you like your new toy box? So go out and get a Mindspace new toy box. The link is right here. Riley is 2 paws up. Yeah? And it looks very nice in the house.